Well, good morning. It's about 4:25 in the a.m. on Tuesday, November 12th, 2024. Well, I knew it was Veterans Day. Yeah, and when I got off work, I went home, grabbed some things, and went out the door. Yeah, went to the bank to go do some banking. Oh, hang on, the bank's closed. Huh, okay, well, let's go over to the courthouse. Yeah, that didn't work out either. Needless to say, I wasted some time this morning, and by the time I got back to the house, I just said forget it and called it a day. So, yeah, life happens. And I said, happy Armistice Day, Veterans Day. Yeah. Someday the inner blonde escapes. Mine's showing back up real loud. Usually I shave the evidence off. But yeah, well, you can see it's climbing. It is what it is. Anyway, hope everybody's having a blessed day and they had a good Veterans Day. My friend showed up about an hour ago, so I'll get to go deal with some things there in the morning. Try to get some things transferred over and get my kitty cats out the door with him. So, yay. Gonna kind of miss them cats. But I like the idea of them being together, so this is the best way to keep them together that I've found so far. So, yeah. Hopefully everything works out with them. Anyway, thank you, my friend. Yeah, get that took care of. So, yeah. I'm tired. Even with everything, I still managed to... I got some sleep, but I still ended up waking up several times. I really need to be able to sleep for more than 6 hours. I need to be able to sleep for more than 3 hours at a time. My system is trying to throw me for... My system wants to be back on days. And, yeah, I got 8 more months to go. Actually, right under 8. But I'm ready to. I am ready to go. Tired. Yeah. Hazard of when you get good 6 hours worth of sleep, but it's all broke up in pieces. Yeah. But then I woke up, I guess it was about 6:30, and I've been up since 6:30, so yeah. I already got a good 10 hours, and I got probably another at least 6, if not 8, to go. It is what it is. I wish I'd got some more. I should have went ahead and did my laundry. But I was irritated with myself and just walked away from it. But that's okay. I got a few things took care of, and I'm in a good spot for getting this took care of today, and be able to get some things packed and put out the door. This is a good thing. I don't know. He was questioning about one of my aquaponics systems. Part of me wants to say okay and let him have one, and then laugh at him when he's trying to figure out how to get it on top of his car and drive Yeah. I drove home with it on the top of my Saturn. Strapped down to the top of my Saturn. Now, I only had about 12 miles to travel on that one. He's wanting to travel about 1,200. Something like that. Yeah. I don't think he understands that top speed for that whole trip was, well, I tried to get up over 50 and realized that because of that, my car was trying to blow off the highway. Yeah. So he'd end up spending probably most of a day just driving back to Dallas, and then still have the rest of the trip for the next day. So, yeah. I don't think he wants to drive to Dallas at 40 miles an hour. That might be a long day. But hey, choices. Again, choices. It is what it is. Yeah. But I'm pretty sure we can get most of the, a good bit of his inside of his car stacked up and packed up so he can, get there and not have too much of a problem. I don't know. Part of me's glad that he came up and he's here today. The other part wishes that he'd have waited another week. Yeah. It is what it is. Yeah, because I got things I'm supposed to do tomorrow too, and I need to do laundry. Yeah, because hey, never done with laundry. There's always laundry. And more laundry. You can't win when it comes to laundry. Because no matter what, even if you just put it on, it's now dirty. And yeah. I made a mistake. I reached up and used a bit of the column, stucco column on the way home yesterday. And I scratched my arm with the column, like doing that. I got home, I got blood stains in my white shirt. Over here. It's okay. I can get away with one less shirt. It's just I keep throwing them away because, well, I'm trying to just keep my newest ones and get rid of them as I don't need them. So I guess this one volunteered accidentally itself to go to the trash can. I don't know. Maybe I can get the blood stain out. I haven't got that far yet. I'm going to try to do laundry tomorrow. On top of, packing some stuff into his car and probably go try to have lunch with him. It is what it is. But yeah, I'm thankful for friends, family, and being able to take care of what I can take care of as I can take care of it. And yeah. And I even went so far as to, I paid for the room. Well, I'm getting rid of my cats, and he's taking on the responsibility of keeping them. So, yeah. He gets some kitty cats. I'll miss them. They've been good cats. But that's okay. Anyway, I hope everybody's had a blessed day, enjoyed their day off if they got to have Veterans Day off, and got to have a fairly easy day of work if they did have to work. It happens that way sometimes. Anyway, lots of food, lots of fun. Enjoy your friends and family while you can. Because, hey, sometimes they don't make it through the day. I got one I'm worried about. Anyway, this is William from Williams, Philippines. Later blessings. Bye-bye. I'm Fish. And, hey, Fish is out.